Dr. Kelly Cooks. Today I am making manicotti and lasagna, and I want to share a couple quick tricks. First, that I like. I always use turkey, and I just really season it up. It tastes like sausage once I'm done with it. So I add oregano, basil, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and a little bit of spicy red pepper. I always cook my noodles first, whether it's manicotti or lasagna. I know some people don't, but I don't like the crunchy lasagna noodles. I like squishy gushy, especially on the inside. So that's one thing I do. And then with the manicotti, I love to mix up ricotta, eggs, Parmesan, mozzarella cheese, and then all those same spices I put in the cheese mixture as well. Then I just layer it up. That's it. Yummy, yummy. Oh, don't forget to put sauce on the bottom of the pan.